Hi and welcome to dashboardbuilder.net. This is Rick. I am going to give you a demo on how to build a Choropleth map without coding and generate PHP code using Dashboard Builder. Before we get started, I am assuming that you have already downloaded the software from dashboardbuilder.net. And here are the requirements for the application. The Choropleth map will be looked like this. This is a dynamic map, which shows details on hover. And our PHP code will be looked like this. This source code is under MIT license, which you can customize as per your desire and can be used anywhere you want. You need to include Dashboard Builder library. These are auto-generated SQL query which you may customize if needed. And here is the JavaScript library. All these libraries are freely available for downloading from dashboardbuilder.net. And here is your Bootstrap library, which makes this dashboard fully responsive. Let's get started from the very scratch. We will create and open a new dashboard. This is our new dashboard. Now, connect to our MySQL database. Here is the list of the database which is currently supported by Dashboard Builder. Put your hostname here. Database user. Password. Leave blank if you don't have a password. And here your database name will go here. Now save your changes. This icon shows that we are successfully connected with our database. Now we will go to our chart settings properties. Here is the table list from our database. Click on the country table, and automatically SQL query will be written here. A slight modification on the SQL query to write off the limits. Now run the query. Here is the column list with data, country, code, and value. We will select the Choropleth map from the drop-down list. Code will go to the location. Value to Z. And map type world map. There are optional values. Save changes. Here you go. This is a dynamic chart, shows legends and data on mouse hover. Now generate the PHP code. Here is our PHP code which is generated by this tool. You can copy this code and use in any PHP application. That's all for now. Thank you for learning with us. For more information and updates visit dashboardbuilder.net.